sun is shining. It is still really cold, but it's half-term holidays, so I've got a little bit of extra time. So I have one piece of felt. This is going to go in my felt book that I've made, and I'm doing slow stitches sort of throughout the year. And I've got some white offcuts of felt from Christmas decorations, and I've got some, it's not really ribbon, it's kind of tape. I think it's designed for wrapping presents, bows and things, and I thought I might do a little border around the edge of my picture. So I'm just going to try and do some flower heads. This is going to be a really simple stitch. You don't need a lot of equipment, and really probably quite a quick one. So I'm going to do some singular sort of drop shapes. This actually might be a bit big. Let's cut it down a little bit. That's good. Oops. Bit less pointy maybe. And then I'm going to do some that are like the whole head with maybe three petals on it. So let's use this as a template, but I'm going to round it off a little bit more. Make it a little bit softer. Yeah, I like that one. They are getting bigger and bigger. I'm going to trim some down. Yeah, they might be a little bit chunky. Right, let's try the 3 header one, and maybe a 2. I think I might cut out quite a few because I might end up layering some, because that looks quite pretty. Right, I think I've got enough now. And I think the 3 petals are going to go over the 2 ones. They're going to be sort of the well-grown ones. Small one there. And then I've got some doubles, which actually I've done one on its own there. I might do another one on its own. They're all sort of facing the same way, so I think we will mix that up a little bit. Then we're going to stitch a stem for each one and some leaves, so the background will be filled in as well, just with slow stitching. This is a very blue-green. This has been difficult to match because the closest thread is probably this one, and it's too blue. I don't want it to look blue, so I've got this green, which I think goes okay. I'm still kind of deciding. I'm going to use probably one strand for this one. You could also use a sewing thread, but this, maybe it does, I can't quite decide on the colour because this is the only sewing thread I've got, and looking at this they don't go at all, but looking at a single strand, certainly it might look okay. So I'm going to decide between the greens, and then we're going to get the flower heads in place. You could sew over the flower heads in white, but I'm just going to do it all in one colour. It's all going to be green, which hopefully will make the shape of the flowers stand out more.